An embedded barcode is a scannable label that contains preset information used for dynamic pricing. The Eats365 POS uses these embedded details to instantly determine the final price of the item. Embedded barcodes are typically generated using a label printing scale, which weighs items and prints a barcode tag containing specific price or quantity details. You must have a barcode scanner connected to the POS terminal for this function. Let's begin. The Eats365 POS supports both the EAN-13 and UPC-A barcode types. Both formats include key details, such as the prefix, which determines the specific type of barcode, the stock keeping unit, or SKU code, which is the unique number that is assigned to menu items, the weight or price as determined by the label printing scale, and the checksum, which is a system-generated number that validates a barcode's integrity. When an embedded barcode is scanned, the POS automatically identifies the item and adds it to the order based on those detected details. To get started on the barcode configuration, we first need to assign the correct permissions so your staff can manage barcode-related configuration. First, log in to the POS. Tap Settings, then navigate to Users and Permissions and Role Permission. Select the role that you want to grant access to. Then enable Barcode Configuration and save your updates. Next, let's configure your menu items with your preferred barcode pricing method. Go back to the POS settings and tap Menu Setup. Select Item, then either create a new item or modify an existing one. For this walkthrough, we're creating a new item. If you need a refresher on how to build a basic item from scratch, refer to the item creation video we've listed in the video description. When setting up an item for barcode scanning, make sure you assign a unique product code and set your preferred pricing under the Availability and Price section. The pricing method you choose determines how the system calculates the final cost of the item. Fixed price is your go-to for standard menu items or bottled drinks, where the price doesn't fluctuate. For items with variable market rates, like fresh lobster, the pricing method Priced in Shop allows your staff to enter the current rate manually. If you sell items by volume, Priced by Barcode Weight is ideal for deli meats or salad bars, where the system calculates the final cost based on exact weight read from the barcode. Finally, Priced by Barcode Price is ideal for pre-packaged items such as butcher cuts, where the total price is already printed directly onto the scale label. In this video, we will specifically focus on the two Priced by Embedded Barcode methods. If you choose the weight option, you'll need to set the unit of measurement, followed by its base value. Then define the unit price for dine-in and takeout. This establishes the base price that the POS will use to calculate the final price of an item based on its weight. Based on the price you set, $10 per 1 kilogram, and a customer purchases a package weighing 2 kilograms, the POS will automatically calculate the final price as $20. If you choose the price option, you can enable unit price to include an item's weight in the order. From here, configure the unit of measurement, its base value, and the corresponding unit prices. Setting up the unit price establishes the base price the POS will use to compute the item's price based on its weight, matching the same price printed on the embedded barcode. If this option is turned off, the POS will only record the fixed price of the item in the order. Lastly, let's enable and set up the barcode function. In the POS settings, select Barcode Configuration and toggle Enable Embedded Barcode. Depending on your specific restaurant operations, you can configure individual rules for both embedded barcode in weight and embedded barcode in price. If your label printing scale generates barcodes that include an extra identifier digit, turn on the Has Delimiter toggle. This tells the system to disregard the first placeholder value when reading the weight or quantity. Refer to the label printing scale's settings or contact the manufacturer to confirm if delimiters are being used when generating barcodes. Next, choose the applicable rounding method to determine how the system handles decimal placements. Once finished, tap back to return to the previous screen and save your changes. To add items to an order using embedded barcodes, on the order-taking screen, scan the printed label using the barcode scanner that's connected to the POS. Once the item is successfully recognized through the barcode, it will be added to the order automatically. All right, that completes our video.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.